Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have the Summer Fab Fit Fun box to unbox today. So if you haven't tried FabFitFun before and you'd like to, I'm going to leave a description down below. It's a seasonal box, so you get spring, summer, fall, winter. You can pay for the whole year. I think it's like $180 for all 4 boxes if you get them for the whole year. Or if you just want to like try one box, I think it's $49.99 per box, but I'm going to leave my referral code down below and you can get $10 off your first box if you want to try it. So you get a box of 8 items for $39.99 with my referral code, which I'll leave down there. So they're really fun and fab and fit. So if you want to try it, feel free. Alright, so before we get into the box, I'm going to show you my add-ons because before you pick your items for your box, you can add things onto it as well. So hence the term add-on. They give you like an email that's like, oh, shop your add-ons, they're open. So I always get the Sponjoli body wash buffers. They're really nice. They have the body wash already in them. They're like scrubby. You get them wet and you just scrub. So I got the poppy one, which smells so good. The FabFitFun box came in a bigger box because all my add-ons, and as soon as I opened the box I could smell this one and it smelled so good. And then I got it also in the Frisia pear, and this one, oh, they both have a little ribbon so you can hang it, you know, in your shower. So yeah, body wash and buffer, Sponjoli. They're really nice. So those were 2 of my add-ons. My other add-on were these earrings from Bauble Bar, B-A-U-B-L-E-B-A-R. And they're these little, I'm gonna zoom in if I can. They're these little palm trees and I thought they were just so summery. They are bigger than what I thought they'd be. That's what she said. And, but they're really cute. They got all these like little rhinestones and beads down here. I did put them in my earlobes are double pierced. Well, this ear's triple pierced right here, but zoom, focus in. So I did put them in my second earlobe hole because they are really big. But I thought they were really cute, little statement earrings you can wear. Oh, I zoomed out the right way. So yeah, so I added those on, and then I got this beach ball for free. So there's that. And I blew this up myself. I've never been able to blow up like balloons or like beach balls or anything. And I did this myself. You guys, I'm 33. And I finally could, you know, do that. So there's that. We have a pool this year. We had moved into the new house and it has a pool. So it's like, yeah, add on a free beach ball. And then I think that's it for my add-ons. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's get into the box. As always, we're using our trusty rusty screwdriver to open the box. Here we go. And it's really cute because each season the FabFitFun box is different. Like it's a different, you know, outside of it. So this year it's got some ladies laying out on a beach towel, like umbrellas, some flip-flops, and it's designed by a different artist every time. So that's really cool. Alright, oh, we got some stickers, some summery stickers. My friend at work is afraid of stickers. Shout out to Amanda if you're watching this. And you know, everyone has fears. And they give you the little magazine, FabFitFun. And this one says, give yourself a summer glow up, page 20, refreshing summer sips. And this it's like a little magazine, but it also does all the different options of what you could have gotten in your box. So we're just gonna go right through. I'm gonna try to take them out in order, but we'll see how that goes. When you sign up for the whole year, you do get to pick, I think, at least 4 of the things in your box, but I think it's 5 when you sign up for the whole year, maybe even 6. I think I might have been able to pick 6 things. 5 things? I don't know why I'm grabbing my head like this, but I think it was 6 things. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna take the things out of the box before I show them to you and go in order. I changed my mind because I want to be surprised by the things I didn't pick. So we're just gonna go right through. This first thing is the Hydration Made Easy Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. There's different flavors. There's lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. So that's kind of cool. I wonder how many, if there's like 3 packs. Oh, it says 3 samples. So that's kind of neat. I'm not a huge like flavored water person. I really just prefer my water plain, but I'll try them out. And next we have, and then I'll try to find those in, I think that was one I didn't pick. Let's see. This is real time. All right, well, I can't find it in the magazine, so maybe it's just like a weird sample. But in the magazine, it's only showing options 1 through 6, so maybe they're just not listing the 7th and 8th option. I don't know. Anyway, the next one is the Erno Laszlo New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I love doing masks, face masks. I love them. I like the clay ones. I like the face sheet ones. I like to just, you know, sit in bed, put one on in the morning, and watch YouTube or whatever. So I'm really excited about that. Do more for your pores. Distressed skin calls for powerful measures. This hydrating, detoxifying mask is the perfect antidote to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. So I'm excited. Let's take it out of the box and see how big it is. It looks like it's a big bottle. Yeah, that's huge. So I'm excited. Yay! Because like I do the Ipsy boxes. That's huge. And so sometimes they send me like little samples of clay masks and I'll use those up, but I haven't bought like a huge bottle of one. So that's exciting. Next we have, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. Who doesn't love dry shampoo? Am I right? And for those who have not used dry shampoo, on the back, it has a little demonstration on how to use it. I like to use my dry shampoo at night. On like the 2nd, or 3rd day hair. I'm lucky that I can wash my hair maybe like every 3 days or so. So I've kind of trained it to do that. So I like to use a dry shampoo at night, spray it in at the roots, and I combine like roots and scalp. Spray it in there, and then as you sleep, it kind of just like absorbs the oils. So that's what I like to do. So awesome. Next we have, this is all kind of like more beauty-y stuff right now, but I swear I picked other things. These must be like the 7th and 8th options I didn't pick. We have the Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Truffle Therapy, Skin & Co. Roma. That's a good brand. I've seen that in my Ipsy and stuff as well. Ipsy boxes, and that's pretty cool. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells really, really good. I know it's cleansing. It smells like coconut. I don't know why I'm putting it on my hand. It's not like it's a lotion, but that smells really good. It's a gentle yet effective cleanser and makeup remover that is highly concentrated with antioxidants and skin-soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. Apply this gently on skin and massage in circular motion for 60 seconds. Wipe with a wet washcloth or face sponge and rinse with lukewarm water. So cool. Anything where I don't have to buy like makeup wipes to remove my makeup, I'm really liking lately. Just for like, sustainability and all that stuff. So awesome. Okay, let's get into one that I picked. So let's see. Actually, let's do this one. This was one of the first options, and it is a smart facial cleansing device. So it vibrates. It has these little soft silicone bristles, and you turn it on and it vibrates. It's waterproof. You can like use it in the shower. You can use it to massage in serums, facial cleansers. I want to take it out. There we go. And I've been really wanting one. I bought one. I just dropped something. Hang on. The little stand that it came with a little clear stand, so it'll just stand right up. Look how cute. So here's like the little bristles, It came with a battery. Here's the on button, so it will just vibrate once I put that battery in. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. It'll really like help clean your pores and everything. And then this side I think is more, I don't know, like maybe just like a massage kind of thing. Where'd the box go? I'm all over the place. Anyway, I was really excited for that one. Pretty neat. And I thought it would, I had just got a facial cleanser in my Ipsy box, so I thought it would go really good with that. So yeah, awesome. I really don't know what I just did with that box. I don't know. Let's go to the next one. This is all over the place, but what do you guys expect from me? The next thing, option 2, is the Sonics Bluetooth speaker, Hot Power Bluetooth Sonics by Sonics. And like I said, I have a pool. I have Bluetooth speakers, but I thought this one was really adorable because it's pink. Oh, it comes with headphones too. I'm just dropping everything. So it's just a nice little pink speaker. Has the buttons on the top. Just adorable. Comes with speakers. Oh no, it's not headphones, it's a charger. Comes with a charger. Because why would you need headphones for a speaker? Think Rachel. So it comes with a charger. So everything's more just like, it's like summery, fresh, clean, fun, summer pool box. We'll throw that over there. Still haven't found the other box. That's fine. And customization number 3 is this little guy right here. Because we all know how I love my box wine. So I got a new tumbler. Look at her. She has little tiny specks of like shimmer in her. She's turquoise. She's beautiful. 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot, 12-ounce stemless wine holder. 4 by the pool. So I had to pick her. She's beautiful. I love her. Let's see. Oh, it comes with silicone straw by Corksicle. Let's take her out. She should match, I think. Yep. See? This little silicone straw. Put her right in there. Awesome. I found the box for the facial cleanser, by the way. So yeah, so this side is to when you put your serums on, and it helps massage your serums in. And then this side is for like the cleansing. And I did put the battery in. There we go. All right, so we have the cup. And lastly, there's a surprise one. Not really a surprise, I added it. But lastly, we have this cute little lemon tray. Again, for by the pool. Or you could put it like on your counter or on the middle of your table for summer. I just thought it was so adorable. Look how cute. I can put all my new things on it. So it is a little, I just dropped something. Theme of the video, I just dropped something. It is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but still adorable. Take it out by the pool, have some little snacks on it, have your wine, and what better way to keep your wine cool by the pool than with a Society 6 wine chiller. This was one of the first options as well, and when you pick an option, it'll be like, oh, well, you can still add this one on for like $15, so that's what I did. So let's open that up. Even though I am a boxed wine girl, you know, you might not want to take your boxed wine out of the fridge and take it by the pool. Just bring a bottle out there. Your girlfriend comes over, she brings a bottle of wine and her sun hat. So look at that. Look how adorable. It's all insulated. Take the silicone thing out. Insulated. So I just fill it up with ice, put your wine bottle in there, and you're good to go for at least an hour. I don't judge how quickly you finish your wine. So that's our FabFitFun box. It's pretty great. I'm excited. I am excited about it. So to recap, let me go through all of them. I'm gonna put them in order. I completely missed one. Okay, it is the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by Ciate London. And I just thought, I think I picked that one. I think that one and maybe the dry shampoo were like a bundle one. Let me open it up. I just thought the watermelon setting spray sounded so summery and refreshing. Look how beautiful. That's a nice bottle. Watermelon setting spray. Oh my God, you can already smell the watermeloniness as it gets on my camera. That smells so good. Oh my God. Okay, let's spray. Yeah, that smells so good. I'm excited. Nothing says like summer like watermelon, you know what I mean? Setting mist. So it'll set whatever little makeup, you know, you put on for those summer days. I like to use a lot of like BB creams and CC creams and stuff in the summer. That smells so good. I can still smell it. Okay, so to recap, we have the first option, the facial cleanser and the additional wine cooler. Second option, I picked my little stereo. The third one, we have the cup and the straw. And the fourth one, I was like all setting it up to go through it when I found that one that I didn't see yet. The fourth customization was the watermelon setting spray. It smells so good. And I'm out of setting spray, so I was jazzed. And then the fifth option was our cute little lemon tray. I was gonna say lemon spray, lemon tray. The sixth option, which one are you? Oh, the sixth option was these two together. So the whipped cleanser and the purifying clay mask. That was the sixth option. And then these must have been like the seventh and eighth things. So the hydration multiplier and the dry shampoo. I can honestly say I'm going to use every single thing in this box this time. Sometimes you get the boxes and you're like, I might give that to someone or whatever. But I liked everything in this box, the summer box. And it just makes me like anxious for the fall box now, which I don't want summer to go away at all. So not too anxious for it, but I just love these FabFitFun boxes so much. So yay! If you guys want to try FabFitFun, again, I'll leave my referral link down below so you can get $10 off your first box. And then if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already and you like unboxings, join us. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.